When God the way of life would teach and gather all his own, he placed himself beyond the reach of death by blood alone. It is his word, God's precious word. It stands forever true. When I the Lord shall see the blood, I will pass over you. By Christ the sinless Lamb of God, the precious blood was shed when he fulfilled God's holy word and suffered in our stead. It is his word, God's precious word. It stands forever true. When I the Lord shall see the blood, I will pass over you. Thereof of God the doors are due. Upon the Lamb was laid, and by the shedding of his blood, the debt for us is paid. It is his word, God's precious word. It stands forever true. When I the Lord shall see the blood, I will pass over you. It is his word, God's precious word. It stands forever true.